It's Monday. So, hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. I'm having some fries that I got on my way home and milk with a cake. Fries are my comfort food, and today I need all the comfort I can get. I'm having a day and a half anyway, so right after I've eaten this, I'm gonna dance it out. Actually, dancing it okay. That's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, we'll talk later, guys. It's Tuesday. I'm from work. Let me show you what was my outfit of the day. This was my outfit of the day. This cute top, some black jeans, some shoes, and this jacket. And of course my everyday little tiny purse. By the way, if you've noticed my jacket, it's the same. It's because I never wear it, by the way. I only wear it most likely at night. Most of the time. I normally don't wear it. So I just carry it in case. In case the weather decides to do its thing. Anyway, I wanna cook some food. I wanna cook some eggs and ugali. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. And then we're gonna sleep. Oh yeah, and today I'm feeling a lot better. Yesterday was a lot. Today I'm okay. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show you a picture of what I've cooked. Yeah, that's it. So good night guys, we'll talk tomorrow. Guys, it's Saturday. I am tired. Nimechoka. Today I've done a bit of shopping. And I had a busy day. I had a very busy day. I want to show you what I bought. First thing I bought was this tote bag. Actually, I did not want to open that wrapper. I wanted to come and unwrap it with you guys. But you know what? Because I've done shopping, there's no way I was going to buy another bag when I have this bag inside. So let me show you what's inside. Of course, trash. I passed through the supermarket to get some stuff. I got 2 packs of sweet cakes. I love these ones. They're called sour and they're both 25 shillings. Let me show you. I've also bought some dishes. Yo, I'm growing up. These are for carrying food to work with. But some cooking fat. I really have to stop buying these and using these. Because the liquid one is better. I'm going to start using that one. But for now, I need I bought 2 dishes. I am hot, you guys. Hot! Gosh. Give me choker. I've got 2 packets of milk. Some pineapple, which the moment I'm done showing you my haul, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna eat first. Meat. I live alone, I don't need a lot of stuff. Ooh. Ho ho. Some peas, some dania. Unga ugali. These, some maize flour. These will last me almost 2 months or even 3. I have another packet from last year. It's quarter. I have a quarter of it. But this one is gonna last me for a while. This is a bag that was in my tote. And I have another bag. I had 2 bags to carry. Some potatoes. I have some from last year. Avocado, of course. And the last thing I bought, tomatoes. Y'all, tomatoes are expensive. These were 20 bob. There was a time I could get double of these at the same amount. I guess season do change, right? Anyway, not even cooking anything today. I'm gonna cook tomorrow because I am so tired. I just wanna rest up. What am I having for dinner? I'm having my milk with some sweet mandazis, and that's it. That's it. I don't even feel hungry. And of course, my pineapple. I am obsessed with pineapple. Pineapple is my favorite fruit. Anyway, I'm sorry for the background noise. We'll talk later, maybe tomorrow. Today I'm tired. Bye guys. I look good in that lighting. I should take a picture like this. For breakfast, sweet mandazi and ribena. Guys, it's Sunday. Yeah, it's Sunday, and I woke up a few hours ago. There's a bit of blackout on my face, but it's all good. Just came back. The lights are back on. I can see the white lights over there. Anyway, I'm cooking right now. Cooking rice with a stew, a potato paste, a mixed stew. And then I have an errand I have to run. So yeah, I'm not bad. So don't come for me because I have yesterday's clothes. I'm owning it. So after this, I just bed and then I leave. Really hope I come back early because I'm tired today. I didn't sleep well because of mosquitoes. The blackout was from yesterday night. So mosquitoes were like, telling me a story. They're just lucky I didn't get my sleepers and I couldn't stay there because hey, they didn't let me sleep, yo. But let's cook. Actually, I'm cooking right now. I have some peas boiling. And we'll see where the day takes us.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi guys, happy Monday. It's a new week and I just wanted to show you what was my outfit for the day. And then I'm gonna eat some fries that I bought. Then that's it. Let me show you my outfit. This top, some cutie jeans. This is my outfit of the day. I feel sexy, I feel good.